This is going to be a video tutorial on how to insert equations in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I have Microsoft PowerPoint opened up now. To insert equations into PowerPoint, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab, click on Insert. Then on the ribbon, you want to go down to the far right, down to where you see the symbols area. And in the symbols area, here you have equation and symbol. As you can see, my symbol button is not highlighted. I would need to click on my text to be able to select the symbol button. Now it's highlighted. But for the equation, you want to click the little drop down underneath equation. That gives you a list of example equations. If you insert one of these equations within here, you can change any part of it. It's just little example equations that you can use. Or you could go down to the bottom down here, down to the Insert New Equation. I'm going to click on Insert New Equation. Now a little box has appeared. It says Type Equation here. As long as this box is selected, up top here, you could see I now have an Equation tab. And under the Equation tab, I have symbols here that I could use. There is a drop down here. I could choose one of these symbols in here. It has another drop down here, basic math or Greek letters, operators, arrows, scripts. You could choose something in here, or you could go down the ribbon a little farther. You got fractions. If I click on fractions, I could choose one of these fractions here. You can put whatever numbers or letters you want in the fraction. Down below it has common fractions. You can change any part of this if you select it. Next to that, it has scripts. If I click on scripts, you could use one of these scripts here. It has several different things: radicals, brackets, functions, accent. You could choose one of them. I'm going to go back to the Insert tab. Then I'm going to go back to Equation. I'm going to go down to the very bottom. It says Ink Equation. I'm going to click on Ink Equation. That brings up a little window where you could draw out an equation. It'll show the preview up top here. Down below there, you have a Write button, an Erase button, Select and Correct button, and a Clear button. But that is how to insert equations into PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.